a chartered accountant, entrepreneur, and professor.
One big thing Ednovate have started is to wash out this myth which you are actually saying about the CS students.
His tryst with social media is astounding.
You know, if we can put in educational content in slightly funny way, slightly energetic way, that I think what can possibly again bring the change.
NewsX influencer A-list proudly recognizes Dhaval Purohit for influence in EdTech.
Hello and welcome. You're joining us on NewsX Influencer A-List. I'm Parati Bhanot, and with us today is Professor Dhaval Purohit. Now, Professor Dhaval is a chartered accountant by profession, but he has 11,700 followers on Instagram, and all of this was made possible because of one viral video that turned the tables for his Instagram and on his Instagram journey. Now, Professor Dhaval, you're also, a professor. You're also the founding member of Ednovate. There are so many tasks that you're juggling with, but now there's one more task, being an influencer. Tell us a little bit firstly about your journey so far, and where did you start from and what it was like to become a chartered accountant. Usse shuru karte hain.
See, I'll basically start, I'll be honest with you. So I have been started my journey from a very small house, and I have a very poor background. And my father was a milkman. And I still remember, before attending my final CA classes, I used to go and deliver milk at 6 to 7 houses. And from there, I used to attend lectures. So I remember studying from there. My father had been delivering milk, and I was always into one fact that these big houses where my father goes and deliver milk, I want to ensure, I give my parents that house. I want to make sure that my parents live this life. From there, I was very clear that, Dhaval, you want to become something in life. And that's where my focus towards education increased. I became a chartered accountant at the age of 22. And since then, when I was studying myself, I realized that, there are so many things we can do in education system. And that's the best way I think we can help or maybe give back to the nation. That's how I entered. I cleared in at the age of 22. And from the very same date, means I qualified and started teaching aspiring chartered accountant in the very same year. And since then, this is the journey you can see. So I'm teaching CA students since last 10 years. For past 8 years, I was working somewhere. But then we realized, Dhaval, that if you really want to make the change in the system, then might as well you will have to get out of that and start your own venture. So I got my all teammates, all my like-minded professors. We came together, and there was a tough journey starting this Ednovate. Let me be very honest. We were forced not to start, but we were very clear that come what may, we will be on it, and we will make sure that we are being available for the student. And we started Ednovate.
So what do you do? Now, what does Ednovate do? How are you helping, budding chartered accountants? Because it's a known fact that being a chartered accountant is not easy. It's one of the toughest courses that exist out there, especially for students with a commerce background. CA is it's like the peak. It's like your Mount Everest. How is it that you are helping young budding chartered accountants?
So let me be honest. The one big thing Ednovate have started is to wash out this myth which you are actually saying about the CS students. Every time somebody talks about being a chartered accountant, why is it always, we put it up that it is the toughest degree? Why nobody understand that it is not being tough? It is about, understanding your concepts clear. It is about getting those right teacher. And once you know your concepts clear, come what may, it's like any other exam. Yes, it is challenging. I would not say it is a challenging. But at Ednovate, the one big thing which we try to turn the table is, we want people to understand that doing CA is not difficult. Yes, it has its prerequisites. At times, students miss out on those prerequisites. So we be behind the students, we push students to ensure that, their concepts are clear, they are writing good number of test papers, and everything which needs them to clear. So I just want to bring one change. I'll be very happy next time I'm doing interview with you. You are saying, sir, you proved it that CA is not the tough degree. That is what Ednovate all for.
Absolutely. I hope so. I really hope so, Professor Dhawal. It's really going to make the lives easier for so many young students who want to be chartered accountants but don't, because there's a certain hesitation that comes in, because of this general idea. So, let's quickly, I'm going to come back to Ednovate, but first I want to talk a little bit about your social media journey, because that is very intriguing. So, you have currently 11.7 thousand followers on Instagram. But from what I understand, about a week back, 10 days back, this was not the case. So, how is it that you have? So, tell us first, Professor Dhawal, how many followers did you have a week ago? How many you have now, and why?
So I'll tell you, it was around 5,200 approx followers I had, which were my past students and maybe some friends and families. I used to always keep some motivating post on my Instagram handle, but that used to reach out to my existing students who have studied under me or so on. Now this one video got viral, and let me tell you honestly, I had no clue about this getting viral. So from somewhere, this was a part of my lecture. We'll come back onto that later. Moment it got viral, every day, every following day, 500, 600 followers are increasing. And this is just 7-8 days from 5,200. It was originally 11,600 in the morning. I don't know, you are saying 11,700. So I got to believe you. Because I had no time seeing my account. I was busy taking lecture that time.
Okay, so what was this video, Professor Dhawal, that went viral? It was, why don't you tell us? I know what the video was, but for our viewers, why don't you tell us what this video was?
So I'll tell you one thing, means at Ednovate, we always believe, as I told you, that bringing in change, the first thing which we do is, since it's a lockdown, the students have faced a lot of problems interacting with the teachers. So when we started with this Ednovate, we kept a live platform wherein all the students sitting in any part of the country, they can interact with the teacher. And there happened to be one wrong answer in my class. So one student was not able to get the answer, and I realized that he had took some wrong number of months for the quarter. And that's where I asked him, एक quarter में कितना होता है? And that's when I'm asking Hetwig, tell me how much is there in one quarter? And there he writes 30 ml. And I was like, what? How do you? So it was an extract from one of my video, one of my lectures. So some student would have just, took that extract from the lecture and he made it viral. He just shared it with someone, and then someone,
and
then someone, then someone.
Has it blown your mind, Professor Dhawal, ki matlab in 7-8 days from 5,000 to 11,000, and I don't kid you, 700, not 600, 11,700. Does it blow your mind sometimes? Are you just like, what is happening?
Absolutely. So it means basically being an Instagram user, you've been always following people, you've been seeing their followers. That is the first thing when you go to some influencer's account or when you visit somebody's account, the first thing you do is how many followers that person has. And you would not imagine was you would be there at one day and you would be growing at that pace. So definitely it is a completely different experience. So many people, and the best part, so many people try to reach out. I've got some of the best messages. Sir, I'm an engineering student. I don't know anything about CA, but after watching your video, after watching your other videos, I want to do CA. And that's where I believe that, I've started my journey as an influencer too.
Absolutely. So, Professor Dhawal, now, we've had a very fun conversation. I'm going to make it a little bit serious, not very serious, just a little bit. Now, you've said that you always wanted to bring about change. At this point, and allow me to say so, this is probably the peak of it, right? Because you're growing at an unprecedented rate. So the kind of reach to inflict change, now you have. Maybe 8 days ago, you didn't have that kind of reach. Today, you have it. What is it now that you think you will do after getting all these followers on Instagram? What is the next step now?
So my next step is, which I want to keep it very simple. Like I have always, this is only 1% of my lecture. What you have seen outside is 1% of my lecture. So I've decided from my platform, I want to deliver a content wherein I can inspire a lot of young people. I can inspire a lot of people to start falling in love with the life, to start falling in love with the education system. And once people start falling in love with the education system, then I believe possible change is what we can expect.
So you're also a professor, you also teach at universities. So do you then think that Instagram is a good medium to educate people also? I mean, offline, of course, Hamesha say traditionally we've gone for the offline medium, right? A classroom, a teacher, a lecture. But do you think that social media is here to change that? And maybe we can use platforms such as Instagram to our advantage to spread the word about how education is easy and how education is important.
Absolutely. And not only, I would like to add it to it, it is not only a platform, it is one of the most important platform in today's generation. Like if you see with this Instagram reels coming into the picture, that how students, how the people in general want to see a small content. And with this small content, how much more we can deliver. That is what Instagram have taught us, that speak less and try to make a maximum awareness. So I would like to add to you, not only it's a platform, Instagram is not only a platform, it's one of the most important platform which not teachers, so many others influencers should start using it and try to pass on the message to the larger, usually you see a lot of funny content coming in. But more than funny content, if we can put in educational content in slightly funny way, slightly energetic way, that I think would can possibly again bring the change.
Absolutely. And more power to you, Professor Dhawal. Hopefully, by the time that this interview goes on air, you have close to 12,000 followers. We will wish that for you. Thank you so much for joining us on NewsX Influencer A-List. It's been an absolute pleasure to have you, and more power to you.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. It was nice talking to you.
For more such videos, subscribe to the NewsX YouTube channel, hit the bell icon.